Hello, this is Jay at Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, making a short video to show you how to remove your seat and your gas tank so that you can easily run the wiring for your future amp installation or backbone speaker connector in your audio install. So follow along and I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very easy. Let's talk about the tools we're going to need to start with. We're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, most likely to remove the bolt that's holding our seat in place. Once we've got that out and the seat off, we're going to need a 13mm socket. We're going to need a 6-inch extension and a ratchet to remove the 4 bolts holding the gas tank on. We're also going to be doing a quick disconnect of the fuel line. You may want some rubber gloves to make sure you don't get any gas on your hands. This is going to be very simple, so let's get started. All right, so we're starting with our seat. As you see, we're using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver just to remove the bolt from the back of the seat. Now, if you have a backrest, or as you see here, a leather strap that goes over, you may have to take an additional screw out to get that loose. And if you have any a heated seat, you may have to unplug it as you remove it. In this case, this one was not heated. We're going to cut this little zip tie here and allow our fuel vent tube to be able to be pulled out. You'll see us pull that out here. We're also going to follow the wiring from the gas tank down and unplug it where it plugs in under the seat here. There are 2 plugs on that, a black one and a gray one. We're going to unplug both of them. And next we're going to undo this line that goes to this fuel vent. It's just a little elbow there that we can unplug. Now we're going to remove and disconnect our fuel line. It's very simple. Just lift that chrome sleeve up and it's going to let that fuel line come undone. There'll just be a couple drops of fuel. It's not much. Now as you see, we've took our 13mm socket and our ratchet and we're removing the 2 bolts at the base of the tank. Now up front there's 2 rubber covers. We're going to take those off and remove the bolts on each side of the gas tank as you see here in the video. Now always be leery if you've got lights run under, make sure you've unplugged them. In this case there were no lights, and at this point, that simple, we were able to pick up our gas tank, carry it over and set it to the side. Alright, so now continue to watch. In our next video we're going to show you how to install an amplifier inside this same Harley. So check out the rest of our videos at volunteeraudio.com. You can also see us on our YouTube channel. You can see the rest of the videos as well. But at volunteeraudio.com, you can look at our different speaker and amp packages along with replacement radios. We do have the best tech support and the best packages available. Thank you so much for watching. Please like our channel. As you like these videos, more people see them, more people learn about us, and it helps us greatly, and we appreciate you doing so. Please subscribe to the channel, and you'll get updates when new products come out. You'll also get to see walkaways and new bikes as we build them. If you like that kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us as well, and we appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.